with approximately 23,742 participants to Cebu, which caused the circulation of approximately ₱500 million to the local economy. Ngunit, aaminin ko na sa ikli ng panahon, may mga hakbang na sadyang hindi natin natapos, tulad ng Matatag Center, Matatag Portal, DepEd Digital Education, overtime pay for teachers, a revised senior high school curriculum, universal school-based feeding program for kindergarten learners, calamity fund for teaching and non-teaching personnel, and an HMO or health insurance for teaching and non-teaching personnel. Nais kong ipaubaya ito sa ating susunod na kalihim ng kagawaran. Mga kababayan, hindi ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa lahat ng